And it's not that I was for or against abortions. I was just a young teenage girl, 17 years old and pregnant, and I just thought abortion is the answer because I didn't want to tell anybody about it, and I didn't want it to prevent me from doing things that I knew I wanted to do, which is leave Nashville and go to college out of state. And I knew I didn't have the money to support a child, not even myself, so I knew abortion was my best decision, right? So I told them I want to get an abortion without my parents' knowledge. What do I have to do? So the lady at Planned Parenthood told me that I can basically go to the courthouse, go in front of a judge, explain my situation, and they will decide if I should be able to do it on my own. So that's what I did. I filed the paperwork, got a court date. So my daughter's father, both of us together was gonna drive downtown to go to this court date to get a judge to hopefully tell us we can get an abortion without parents knowing, right? So on our way to the courthouse, we're arguing about how to get there faster because we're like kind of running late. So we're arguing back and forth about which way to go. We end up going my way. We're going past Tennessee State University area. And what's crazy is the day that we're going to the court date for this type of abortion situation, on our way to the courthouse, we get into a car accident.